Hello, my name is Mestre and I'm going to explain a way to improve our vocabulary in another language, in a foreign language, and that is by using a tool called concept maps. In this particular case, we're going to take a look at how to study processes by using this, and at the same time learning new vocabulary in a foreign language. Concept maps are based on Ausubel's assimilation theory and Novak's theory of learning. They explain that in order to learn, we need to use the knowledge that we already have. And they are based on a focus question, which specifies the issue of the concept map, and then cross-links, which establish the relationships between the different parts of the concept map. They also relate to the communicative approach and pragmatic approach of language and of language teaching, which tell us that we build our second language or third or other languages from the first language that we have, and there is a lot of knowledge that we can transfer from that first language to the second language that we're trying to learn, and that needs to be done in order to widen our skills, our communication skills. This is what a concept map looks like. So as we can see, there is a focus question that is to explain this concept map and the relationship established between them. So for example, concept maps help to answer focus questions and represent organized knowledge. So it is a graphic idea that can help us visualize all these words and all these concepts that we need to learn and see how they relate together. Also, we can see here that there's sort of hierarchy that interrelates these elements. So there are more elements that are positioned in a higher position, and then these relate to other elements that might be at the same level or at a different level within the same concept map. This also helps us visualize the parts of a process, what comes first or what is more important in a learning, in a process that we're trying to learn. As I said before, we're going to talk about a process. The process I've chosen for this screencast is how to put together a package tour. Package tour is also known as a package holiday, and this is something that is elaborated by a tour operator, and the way they do it is they contact the principals and they buy from them two ways. They buy in advance and they buy in bulk. That means big quantities and a lot of time ahead. So what are these principals that they're buying from? Airlines, bus lines, shipping lines, hoteliers. So that is all the providers that are going to sell their products, so that this package tour, this package holiday can be one unit. So they buy from them and the services they need that they're going to offer as their own product. And these services are, of course, transportation, transfer to and from the airport, food, accommodation, and then there can be other, depending on the type of trip, such as a guide on inside or a holiday rep if necessary. So this is what they sell. And the thing is how, and the last thing that we consider is how they sell it. There's a chain of distribution for this. So they are going to be selling to two different types of people. That would be travel agent and customers, by which they can contact directly from the internet, let's say, or maybe some special deals that they can make at one specific moment of time, but usually the relationship is established between the travel agent and the client, and this ends the chain of distribution. So this way we can see that we've learned not only all the vocabulary necessary to explain a package tour and how it works, but also the different parts, different elements that take part in it, and how they relate to one another.